If you've ever wondered what it's like to live in space, this video will give you a sneak peek at just how terrifying space can sound. 1. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun and the farthest one we know. It's 17 times heavier than Earth, but smaller than Uranus because of its stronger gravity. 2. Milky Way. The Milky Way is our home galaxy. To the eye, it looks like a cloudy band in the night sky, but it's actually packed with stars. Inside this galaxy, we have the Earth and the Moon. 3. Luna, Moon. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite. It's about a quarter of the Earth's size. They are different from other moons like Jupiter's icy moon. 4. Jupiter's moon, Europa. Europa is one of Jupiter's largest moons and was discovered by Galileo in 1610. Its surface is the smoothest in the solar system. 5. Amalthea, Jupiter's moon. Amalthea is one of Jupiter's moons with the 3rd closest orbit to the planet. It was the 5th moon discovered, earning the name Jupiter 5. 6. Jupiter moon, Elara. Elara is a non-spherical moon of Jupiter, discovered by Charles Dillon Perrin in 1905. It was known as Jupiter 7 until 1975 when it was officially named after Elara, the mother of the giant Tityus in Greek mythology. 7. Uranus's moon, Cordelia. Cordelia is the closest moon to Uranus. It was discovered on January 20, 1986, and spotted again by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1997. Another object in this region is a space rock known as Chariklo. 8. Chariklo. Chariklo is the biggest known centaur, a space rock between Saturn and Uranus. It was found in 1997 and is about 188 miles wide. 9. Cartwheel Galaxy. The Cartwheel Galaxy is a ring-shaped galaxy about 500 million light-years away. It's around 150,000 light-years wide, slightly smaller than the Milky Way. 10. Saturn's moon, Titan. Titan is Saturn's biggest moon and the second largest in the solar system. It's the only moon with a thick atmosphere and stable surface liquids. Up next, we have a dwarf planet that orbits around the Sun. 11. Dwarf planet Eris. Eris is the heaviest dwarf planet in the solar system. It was discovered in 2005 and was named after the goddess of strife. It's slightly smaller than Pluto. 12. Bennu. Bennu's rocks formed 4.6 billion years ago on a world that was later destroyed by a giant collision. The asteroid itself came together from the debris 1 to 2 billion years ago. It may have formed in the main asteroid belt and drifted toward Earth over time. Every 6 years, Bennu comes as close as 186,000 miles to our planet. 13. Hale-Bopp. Hale-Bopp is a long-period comet and one of the brightest seen in decades. It was discovered separately by Alan Hale and Thomas Bopp on July 23, 1995, and it became visible to the naked eye for a record 18 months. 14. Uranus rings. This was recorded by Voyager 2 as it flew past the planet on January 24, 1986. The probe picked up signals from its magnetic field, space particles, and the rings. Scientists later turned these signals into sound waves, letting us hear what Uranus's space environment sounds like. What do you think about these sounds? Let us know in the comments section below.